Implementing Google Analytics 4 is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to create a Google Analytics 4 property, which can be done by logging into your Google Analytics account and navigating to the admin section. From there, click on Create Property and select Google Analytics 4. Next, you will need to set up a data stream, which tells Google Analytics where to collect data from. You can set up a data stream for a website, app, or both. For a website, you will need to enter the website URL and select the industry category. You will also need to choose the reporting time zone and currency. After setting up the data stream, you will need to install the Google Analytics 4 tag on your website. This can be done using the Google Tag Manager, which is a free tool that allows you to manage and deploy marketing and analytics tags on your website. Alternatively, you can install the tag directly on your website by copying and pasting the code into the header section of your website. Once the tag is installed, you can start tracking events and parameters. Events are user interactions with your website, such as clicks or form submissions. Parameters are additional information about the event, such as the category or label. You can set up events and parameters using the Google Analytics 4 interface or through the Google Tag Manager. To get the most out of Google Analytics 4, it is essential to set up goals and conversions. Goals are specific actions you want users to take on your website, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. Conversions are the number of times a goal is completed. You can set up goals and conversions using the Google Analytics 4 interface. Best practices for implementing Google Analytics 4 include setting up a separate property for each website or app, using the Google Tag Manager to manage tags, and regularly reviewing and updating your tracking code. It is also essential to ensure that your tracking code is installed correctly and that you are tracking the right events and parameters. In conclusion, implementing Google Analytics 4 is a simple process that can provide valuable insights into your website or app. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a Google Analytics 4 property, install the tracking code, and start tracking events and parameters. This will help you make data-driven decisions and improve your online marketing efforts.